Welcome to the spoken tutorial on how to close a budget. In this tutorial, we will learn the steps involved in closing a budget. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux operating system 16.04 and Koha version 16.05. To follow this tutorial, learners should have knowledge of library science. To practice this tutorial, you should have Koha installed on your system and you should also have admin access in Koha. Please refer to the Koha spoken tutorial series on this website for more details. Let's learn how to close a budget. Before we start, please note, closing of a budget is done to move the unreceived orders and the required unspent funds from an old budget to a new budget. From the previous budget, that is Spoken Tutorial Library 2016-2017 Phase 1, to a new budget, that is Spoken Tutorial Library 2017-2018 Phase 2. Please note, before closing a budget, it is advisable to duplicate the immediate previous year's budget. To do so, the same fund structures of the previous budget must exist in the new budget. For closing a budget, do the following. Log in with the SuperLibrarian username and password. On the Koha homepage, click on Acquisitions. From the options on the left side, click on Budgets. On Budgets Administration page, under the tab Active Budgets, locate the respective budget. In my case, Spoken Tutorial Library 2016-2017 Phase 1. Click on the tab Actions and from the drop-down, select the option Close. When Close is selected, a new page opens up. It says, the unreceived orders from the following funds will be moved. On the same page, we have Select a budget. From the drop-down, select the budget wherein you want to move your unreceived orders. I will select Spoken Tutorial Library 2017-2018 Phase 2. The same fund details need to be created in the duplicate budget. This will enable us to move the unspent budget there. Next is Move remaining unspent funds. Clicking on this will move the unspent amounts to the new budget. Do so if you wish to add the unspent amount of the immediate previous year to the new budget. I will leave this box blank. After all details are filled, click on Move Unreceived Orders button at the bottom of the page. A dialog box appears with the following message. You have chosen to move all unreceived orders from Spoken Tutorial Library 2016-2017 Phase 1 to Spoken Tutorial Library 2017-2018 Phase 2. This action cannot be reversed. Do you wish to continue? It is important to remember that once completed, you cannot undo this process. Click on OK under the dialog box. A new page opens. Report after moving unreceived orders from Budget Spoken Tutorial Library 2016-2017 Phase 1 to Spoken Tutorial Library 2017-2018 Phase 2. This page will display the order numbers with details having moved. With this, we have closed the financial year's budget. And we can now move on to create the next year's budget. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned the steps involved in closing a budget. For assignment, in an earlier tutorial assignment, you had added a new budget of rupees 50 lakhs. As an assignment, close that budget. The video at the following link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Bella Tony from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.